Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. And today's video is another giveaway. And the giveaway is, I should say, books that I have received from the Bookcase Club. And I did go ahead and cancel this monthly subscription so that I can bring new subscriptions to the channel to keep it fresh so that you guys are not seeing the same thing, you know, month after month after month. So I figured I would do a giveaway. I have so many books and I figured I would give you guys 4 books. So you will be getting this book, which is Watching Eddie. You will be getting Splintered Silence. You will be getting Ragdoll. Put that back in here. And then this is a brand new book that I just received that I figured I would give away to you guys. And this is called Seeing Red. So these are the 4 books that I will be giving away for this month's, or for this particular giveaway. And down in the description box, you will find a link for Gleam. And just follow the instructions. The only rule is that you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. The giveaways currently are only open to U.S. residents or subscribers that can provide me with a U.S. shipping address. And the main concern is the shipping. I just cannot at this time do international shipping, and I cannot wait for the day that I can open my giveaways up for all my subscribers. So remember to like this video, share with all your friends, and leave me a comment, and most importantly, subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. And thanks so much for watching today, and have a great day. Bye.